A lot of other issues are now being
getting
foisted over the current debate over farm laws. But the reason that is happening is the government brought a set of reforms that it believed were good for the Indian farmers. And the charge against your government, ma'am, is that there wasn't adequate consultation. The kind of pan-India outreach that you're starting now, where ministers, MPs going, talking to farmers. In Parliament, this was pushed through with a 5-hour debate in the Lok Sabha, 7-hour debate in the Rajya Sabha, without being sent to a parliamentary standing committee.
Not.
So was there adequate pre-bill consultation?
Unbelievable that this particular allegation is being levelled against the government. Not just this government. Even the earlier version of Prime Minister Modi's government between 2014 and 19, why that much? Go as far back as 2000, the year 2000, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was still the Prime Minister of this country. Since then, each of these 3 that we've passed laws have gone through various different committees, consultations, farmers. Even I was glad to see the Agriculture Ministry putting out through the PIB the number of consultations which have been held, number of farmers who participated in that stakeholders consultation, not just in any one part of the country, but all over the country. So even if today you look at it, the kind of questions, I was very keenly watching Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister, and Minister Piyush Goyal sit and address the media. One of the things that he said is, I've patiently even told them, and they are still telling the same, told the farmers that Khandavar, as they say in parliamentary language, section by section, clause by clause, he is willing to talk to the farmers, and whichever clause in which the farmers may have a problem, he is willing to go back and, if necessary, do any amendments. But the picture that I'm getting is specific questions about the 3 farm laws are not being raised, or probably are raised in very many different ways which are not yet so obvious. And I'm glad, therefore, over and above the talks, the government has also sent a written, collated information, not based on anything that the farmers gave, saying these are the issues on which you may want to have some clarification. Here are we are giving it from our side itself. So as regards consultation, as regards looking at various committees looking at it, since 2000 this has been happening. And therefore to now feel, and also if opposition parties are saying this because it's come for the first time and none of us ever had any idea about it, I can understand. But many of them have put it in their own manifestos. You wouldn't put it and go to the voter public saying that I want this, I will bring it if you vote me in, but unfortunately you're not voted in. Very same thing being brought in by the government, which is voted in, to be rejected just because it's not you who's passing it. Whereas you put it in your manifesto. Would you do it even without an idea? So there seems to be a lot of muddling and bringing in things which are just for political reasons.